Good morning from laststandbrand.com. Some people like to weed. That's right, some people like to weed. I think I'll just leave it at that. And for those of you who like to weed and those of you who do not like to weed, there's about 17 rows of freshly weeded vegetables here. The single most effective way of increasing your production is to remove the competing weeds in your plants. Now, you'll see that all these seedlings are planted quite thickly. They still need to be thinned somewhat, but no weeds. Weeding also means gathering some soil about the necks of each of the vegetables. Let's see. There we go. There were some weeds there. I've covered them with dirt. Yeah. Weeding can be covering the offending weeds with dirt with a hoe. Learn some interesting things from, in this case, children about hoeing. I'll make sure you see it on the next weeding video from laststandbrand.com.